Hi, my name is Pat Little. I am a financial risk management and financial planner. I work in the area of embezzlement and also in investment planning. My expert tip of today is related to should you accept credit card payments via credit card. This is an ongoing trend in dentistry right now, and it's one that I actually discourage. What's happening is the insurance companies are wanting to cut back on the amount of checks they write and the envelopes they mail out. They want doctors to deposit the money electronically. Now there's some pitfalls with that, so some doctors don't feel comfortable going right into an electronic bank deposit because the dental team sometimes has trouble keeping up with that. So one solution they came up with is sending the payment by a credit card that they would then key into the terminal. The problem with that is twofold. One, when that number is keyed into your merchant service terminal, that is actually going to be charged by the credit card company as if it was swiped as a credit card payment from a patient. You're probably paying somewhere between 2 to 3% on your credit card, so the doctor's already giving up part of the fee to participate in the insurance program. So now the doctor's losing 15 to 20% off the fee, and now they're swiping that credit card and taking another 2 to 3%. That's money right out of the doctor's pocket. And while 2.5% doesn't sound like a lot, over the course of a year, it adds up to quite a bit. So I would discourage doing this completely. The other problem is that it's causing, and I'm seeing this when I look at my reconciliations when I work with the doctors to make sure all the money that's being collected is getting into the bank account properly. What we're seeing is that they're filing the claim in the software. The software is now looking for an insurance check to come back in. The payments coming in, though, being swiped through the merchant service terminal. So the statement from the merchant service comes in and shows more credit card payments went in than what the software is showing, because the team had to put it in as an insurance check to clear that claim out. And that's creating a complete nightmare from an accounting standpoint. A lot of practice management software now is catching up with that, and they're allowing that differentiation. Otherwise, what you can do is set up a different payment category called insurance by credit card. At least that gives you and your accountant the ability to see what went into your credit card terminal and should be reconciled as an insurance payment. But the best advice, don't do it. Just call the insurance company and tell them that you do not wish to do that. Some insurance companies don't like hearing that, but the American Dental Association recently got involved as well. So you now have the right to call the insurance company and say, I no longer want the credit card payment. They may ask that you go with electronic deposits, but if you are comfortable with checks, hold your ground, stand firm, and see if they'll send you a check. At least that way you and your team and your accountant can handle this a whole lot better. Thank you, and I really hope that you got a lot out of this.